If you don't like big numbers but still love big wins, then celebrate with us. If you don't like slow growth but still grind daily, then raise a glass. If you don't like noise but still value community, then join the cheer. Hey, I'm Mbili from Mbili Legal, Mbili 2. 50,000 followers. 50,000 people choosing to see our legal tips, our behind the scenes, and our small daily wins. That's not just a number. It's 50,000 moments of trust. To everyone who hit follow, dropped a comment, or sent a DM saying, "This helped," thank you. We started with a single idea: make law approachable and useful. You turned that idea into a movement. What did we learn on the way? Keep it real. Keep it short. Keep it practical. 1% better every day adds up, just like this milestone. Expect more clear legal breakdowns, quick how-tos, and the occasional myth-busting episode. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here since day one, you're family. Hit follow if you haven't, share this with someone who needs simple legal tips, and drop one win you're celebrating today. From Mbili Legal, Mbili 2, here's to the next 50K. Let's keep making law less scary, one short at a time.